I'm Vindhya. I am a food blogger and I wish to make barley Mediterranean style chickpea salad. This salad can be very filling and you can have it like a sauteed salad as well. And this can be had even as a cold salad. Okay, this is the pearl barley which is readily available in the market. I soak it overnight and then boil it. So this is the way it looks like. It's very healthy, very nutritious. So first we are going to stir fry barley. This is about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So now I'm going to add my barley to it. I'm adding a little bit of garlic to give it a nice flavor. 2-3 cloves of garlic. So I'm putting a little bit of salt in this. I'm going to add a little of smoked paprika. I'm transferring my sauteed barley to my serving bowl. And now I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and I'm going to saute my veggies. First, the bell peppers. The bell peppers are slightly brown. I'm going to add my zucchini. Zucchini takes a little less time to cook, that's why I'm putting it little later. I'm going to add a little bit of cherry tomatoes as well. I'm going to add salt. Let me put a little bit of chickpea. I'm putting a little bit of black pepper. The roasted vegetables always taste a little better, so just roast them a little. Till the veggies are getting done, what I'll do is I'll throw in a little bit of spinach. These are baby spinach. This is about half an onion I'm putting. So now I am going to put all my colorful roasted vegetables in the bowl and it looks so nice. I'm roughly chopping my basil leaves and adding into my salad. So now I am going to give it a stir. A very important element in the salad is the lime juice, the citric part to it. Pomegranate seeds. I'm throwing in some olives. These are KALAMATA olives. And now I'm going to add a little bit of pine nuts. These are roasted pine nuts. Little bit of coriander leaves. I'm going to crush the feta cheese a little, crumble it and just add it. Little bit of pepper. Here comes a little bit of salt. I am going to put 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil. It gives a very good shine to the salad.